Hello, welcome to this video. In this video right now, I want to show you how to create an account and log into the CAC website, the 2022 update. All right, this is a new update. If you created an account around 2018, it's different from how you do right now, because there has been a lot of update on the CAC website on how to create a new account, to register a new account, and how to log into the CAC website. In this video, I want to show you how to register a proper account. Right, you may not be an accredited agent, so I want to show you how to create an account so that you won't end up with error on your account. All right, so before we go into that, if you are watching this video for the very first time, you are landing on my channel for the very first time, you can click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be the first person to receive notification whenever I drop new video like this. All right, so let's dive in to what we have for you today. Right now, I want to show you, the first I want to show you in this video is how to create an account on the CAC website, what to do and what not to do. Right, there are some important things you need to note if you are creating your account on the CAC website for the very first time. There are something you need to do, there are something you must not do if you want to have a proper account on the CAC website. All right, there are two types of account on the CAC website. You can create an account as a proprietor on the CAC website, as in you want to register your business by yourself. You don't want to hire an agent, maybe because the price is too cost, or you are finding it hard to get a trustworthy agent. So you have to create an account that is not for accredited. You have to create an account as a proprietor. And the second type of account is an account for accredited agent. So in this video, I want to show you how to create an account as a proprietor, not as an accredited agent. So now the first thing you need to do right now is, if you want to create your account, is to go to the CAC website. You can open your browser on your mobile phone or on your laptop and type in pre.cac.gov.ng. You may decide to put /home or not. So just type in pre.cac.gov.ng on your browser, then you click enter. It's going to show you this page right here. So this is the home page of the CAC website, and you can see from this website right now the step for registering a new business. Step 1 is public search, on how to do a name search. So if you don't know how to do a name search already, I created a video on how to do a name search. You can just click on the link in the description below on how to do name search and everything you need to do to know about name search. Right, the next step is to do name reservation. After name search, you have to do name reservation. Right, if you don't know how to do a name reservation, I already created a video on how to do name reservation, how to reserve your business name with the CAC and get approved within 24 hours. All right, you can also check the description below and get the link on the video that will show you how to reserve a name with the CAC. Now the next thing is to register the business proper. Then the last one is post incorporation. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to show you how to register an account on the CAC website as a proprietor or as an individual, not as an accredited agent. So once you landed on the homepage of the CAC website, pre.cac.gov.ng, then the first thing you want to do is click on register. Right now I want to register an account. Now to register an account on the CAC website, to register an account with the CAC website, this is what you are going to see. You can either enter your phone number or your NIN. All right, so just enter your phone number, or you can choose to enter your NIN. So once you've done that, you've entered your email address, you have entered your phone number. Then if you entered your NIN, then it's cool, you click on next. So they are going to show you, if you happen to have an account before, they will show you that you already have an account. But if you don't, they will show you that you don't have an account, so you can go ahead with the registration. So this is to verify that no two person is having the same account on the website. All right, so the next thing you want to do right now, this is the registration page proper. This is registration page proper. So you don't need to do anything here. Continue existing registration. Maybe you have a registration that you are doing before and you want to continue, you can choose to continue. Then it says here, any member of the public can create an account. Kindly note that you will be a director, trustee or proprietor partner during the registration process. Please provide the necessary details. So if you are registering a new account, you must make sure that the business you want to register, the owner of the business, you use the information of the owner. If you happen to be the owner of the business you want to register the account for, you use your information, because whatever information you put on this page, this is the information they are going to use as the proprietor of the business or as the director of the business. So if you want to register this a business for another person, and you want to create an account and use your own information to create an account, and you go ahead with registration with that account, it means that your name will be used as the director or the proprietor of the business instead of the person's business. So if you are creating an account for another person, make sure you use the details of the person, use the details of the person or the proprietor of the business. So that is exactly what they are trying to say here in this notification. Then the next thing right there is, please select if you want to be an accredited agent. So if you want to be an accredited agent, there are some qualities you need to have, there are some requirements you need to meet before you can become an accredited agent. So I'm not going to talk about that in this video. Maybe in the next video or in another video I may talk about that. But the reason why, the main thing I want to talk about in this video, how to register your account on the CS website as a non-accredited agent, as an individual or as a proprietor. So the first thing you want to enter on this list right here is your surname. You type in your surname. You can decide to type everything in capital letter or small letter. So just type in your name, your surname, first name, and other name. If you have any other name, you can type it in. Then your date of birth, you must be very careful on your date of birth. Your date of birth you want to use must match what is on your ID card. If you are using a national ID card, if you are using a voter's card, or any form of ID you want to use for this registration, you must make sure that your date of birth matches with that ID card. So you select your date of birth. You select the date of birth. Let's just put in date of birth right here. So the next thing you want to select is your gender, male or female. So then your nationality, where you're from, Nigeria. Then you put your phone number once again. So then you enter your email address. This is also very important. You enter your email address, because they are going to send every information you need. They are going to be sending it to your email address. All right, so you enter the email address. So you type in your email address. Then you can copy the email address and confirm it. So copy the email address, and confirm it right here. So you enter the username. This is the username Use the username you want to use to log in. So you enter the username you want to use. So let's just use John Doe. So the password you want to use for the registration. The password you want to use for registration. So let's just copy this one and put it right here. So this is the password I'm going to use. Confirm the password you want to use. Then occupation. This is another place you need to take note of. So your occupation, it doesn't matter whether you are a plumber, you're a teacher, or anything. As far as CAC registration is concerned, what you put in your occupation is businessman, all right? Or you put business, right? You enter any of those two. So you're gonna go ahead, or just enter business or anyone, all right? Businessman. So once you enter your occupation, so you select the country where you are from. Then you select your state. Select the state you are from. Where is Lagos? So your local government, you select your local government. So you enter your postal code. You may decide or not. You may decide to put it is optional. The postal code is optional, but I'm going to search for it. If you don't know your post code, then you just use anyone that is applicable. Just use anyone that you want to go. It's not really necessary. Just going to use the first one. Then your town then you enter your town or village. Then you enter your house number. This is how you enter your address. You enter your house number. Just enter. You don't need to enter number. You don't need to do it like this or do something like this. What you need to do here is just enter the number of the house. That is all. Then the street name. So this is how you enter the street. This is how you enter your address, right? The number, the town or village, the postal code, and the name of the street, right? Then the next thing you want to enter is your means of identification. All right, we have different options here. We have age declaration, we have birth certificate, we have driver's license, we have international passport, we have national ID card, we have permanent voter's card, right? So just select anyone that is applicable to you. Then I'm going to use national ID card here. Then you enter the number. So once you enter the number, you click on register. All right, you click on register. So you get the message that your account is registered successfully. Please verify your email address and login. So what you want to do right now is log into your email address. they will send you a verification code to your email address. So you log into your email address. So now once you log into your email address, you are going to see the message from CAC. It says CAC account verification. If you can't find the email address, if you can't find the message in your inbox, you can check your spam folder or any other folder that the message might run into. So you click on the message, you open the message, account verification, then you click because inside the message you will see your username and the email address you use. Then just click on the link to verify the account and to log in. So once you click the email verification, it will show you that your email address has been confirmed. So what you want to do next is click on log in. Right, you want to log in. Now once you've verified your account, then the next thing you want to do is log into your account, because that's the next I want to show you in this video, how to successfully log in into your account without stress. All right, now you head over to the login page. This is the login page. So if you are not very conversant with the internet or something, you may find it confusing to log into the website. All right, now here on the website page, if you happen to register your account and you can't see, they told you they sent the verification email to your email address, but you log into your email address, you can't find the verification message. All right, so you can come over here to resend email. Right, if you can't find the verification email, so you come back here to resend email, because if you don't verify your email address, you won't be able to log in. All right, so you come over here, you go to the login page, then click on resend email address. They will resend, you enter the email address you use for the registration, then they will send the message over there. If you can't still find the message, don't worry, you can try it again to resend the email. All right, so they will definitely send you the email address so you can verify your account and log in. Now once you get to the login page, this is what you are going to see. Here you can use different option to log into your account. You can use your username, the username you use. You can use the email address. You can use the phone number, and this accreditation number right here is only for accredited agents, so you don't need to worry about that one. This is only for accredited agents, so you are only concerned about the phone number, the email address you use, and the username. So here I'm going to use the email address. So once you enter the email address, you click on I'm not a robot. You click on I'm not a robot, then you click on submit. So you wait for the page to load, then you'll be requested to enter your password. So that is where you enter your password. So you enter your password, then you click on login. So this is, you've successfully logged into your account. Now this is your account. You see your name here, your username, and the login. This is your dashboard right now. So you have successfully logged into your account. All right, so the next thing I want to show you right now is updating your profile after logging into the CAC website. All right, so the next thing you want to do after you've successfully logged into the website is to update your profile. All right, you need to upload your passport, your ID card, and your signature. All right, so if you want to do that, you just have to click on edit profile right here. So either on your mobile phone or you are using your laptop, so just click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, then you can go over here. So they will ask you to upload your signature. You make your signature on a white sheet of paper. Make sure after doing that, you snap it or you scan it and make sure it is as clear as possible. Then you also upload your passport photograph, and the format must be in JPEG or PNG format. All right, these are the two formats that is accepted on the website. And you can see right here that these two information is required. All right, the signature is required, the passport is required, and the size of the photo you want to upload must not be more than 5 megabytes. So if it is more than 5 megabytes, you won't be able to upload. So just click to upload your picture, you click to upload your signature, and you click to upload the passport. So once you've done that, you click on save and continue. So I'm just going to, once you are done with uploading whatever you want to upload, your signature and passport, and if you have any other thing you want to change right here, because you can't change your name anymore, but you can change every other information you want to change. You can still change any other stuff, but your name you can't change it anymore. So if there's any other information you feel like you want to change, you can just go ahead to change it, then click on save and continue. All right, so that is how to update your profile after logging into your account. Now the next I want to show you in this video is how to is the introduction to your dashboard, everything you need to know about your dashboard on the CAC website. So this is your dashboard as a person who just registered on the website. So this tab right here is for name reservation, and this tab right here is for new registration. Right, so after you have registered your account, the first thing you want to do is reserve a business name. So submitted right here, it means you have not submitted means you have started the process of the name reservation, but you are yet to make payment or submit the application. So pending or queried means once you have submitted your reservation, you've made payment for the reservation, the registration will go under pending/query. That is to say, they are currently reviewing your application. So once it is approved, it will be under reserved. If it is denied, it will be under denied. And one thing you must note that is that if your registration happens to be denied, I mean your reservation, if it happens to be denied, it means you have to reserve another name again with another fee. You have to pay again to reserve another fee. So you must be very careful when you are doing your name reservation. You must follow some rules and regulations so that you can have your reservation approved once, so you don't have to waste a lot of money. All right, so now that is that about that. Then for registration, once you are done with your reservation, you can now go ahead to register. So not submitted means you've started the registration, but you are yet to make payment, or you are yet to submit the registration. Pending approval means you have submitted the registration and you have made payment, but it's currently under review. Right, so queried means your registration is being queried. So for here, you can resolve the query and go ahead with and then resolve the query, then resubmit your application again to make it to make them review the application again. So once your registration is approved, it will be shown under registered. So this is where you see your sales certificate and your status report. Right, so if you want to start a new reservation, you click on new name reservation. Then if you want to start a new registration, you click on new company registration, or you can click here, register a company using your availability code. So once you are done with name reservation, you will get a reservation and an availability code. So that's what you will use to register your company. So I'm going to create a new video later to show you how you can reserve a business name on the CAC website. So that is all about this video: how to log into your account, how to create a new account, everything you need to know about your account on the CAC website. All right, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you for watching to this very moment. Don't forget to share this video with other business owners out there, and make sure you drop a comment if you have any issue or you have any question you want to ask. You can drop your comment below, and to be the first person to get my new videos, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Also, don't forget that I've dropped several links below for you. They are helpful link for you. Also, you can also request for a content by submitting a content request, because with the link I drop in the description below. If you have any content or any topics you want me to talk about, so you can just click on the link and drop your content request. I'm going to attend to your request. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you right in the next video.